In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up breakpoints in Framer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to prepare your layout so it can adapt to different screen sizes like desktop, tablet, and mobile, using Framer's built-in tools. Let's start inside your Framer project. With your canvas open, look toward the left side of the interface and find the Insert button. This is usually where you go whenever you want to add something new to your project, like frames, components, or sections. Go ahead and click on Insert. This opens a panel that shows you all the elements and pre-built pieces you can drop into your design. Inside the Insert panel, you'll see a variety of categories. For this walkthrough, we want to work with larger layout blocks, so look for the Sections category and click on it. Sections in Framer are higher level building blocks that often come with responsive behavior already in mind, which makes them a great foundation for working with breakpoints. Once you're in the Sections area, browse through the available options and choose a section that fits the kind of layout you want, like a hero area, a content block, or a footer. When you're ready, select that section, then click, drag, and drop it directly onto your canvas. As soon as you release it, Framer will place that section as part of your page. You can reposition it if you need to, but the key is just getting a section on the canvas so we can see how it behaves across different screen sizes. Now that you have a section added, it's time to work with breakpoints. Look toward the top of the Framer interface, in the area where you see your page name and different device widths. There, you should notice an option labeled Breakpoint. Click on Breakpoint to open the breakpoint controls. This is where you'll be able to manage how your layout responds to various viewports. After clicking Breakpoint, you'll see a list or set of options for available breakpoints such as desktop, tablet, or mobile widths. Simply select the breakpoint you want to work with. Once it's chosen, you can adjust your section's layout, spacing, and alignment specifically for that screen size. Framer will remember those settings for each breakpoint, giving you a responsive design that feels tailored to every device.